Welcome, here I've got Sony Xperia 5 III and let me show you how to change aspect ratio in basic camera at this device. So let's start by tapping on camera button to open it, and as you can see in right corner we are on basic mode. Now let's move to right side and tap to this small button so we can get access to our aspect ratio. We are in 4:3, we can move to 16:9. Now the background has changed to the longer one. Another one here is 1:1, so this is the square one, and we can pick also 3:2. So you can stay on whatever you need. Now let me move back to 4:3 original one. And that's all. Thanks for watching, subscribe my channel and leave the thumbs up.